Hey guys, Troy here from Romer, and I got something really exciting to share with you. I have not opened this yet. I knew this was coming. Just got back from a few days of traveling, and it was waiting for me at the house. They said they were sending it, didn't know when it was coming. But if you guys are familiar with our build Nugget, you know that we have this beautiful refurbished European gas can that they make into a full bar. That's right, a full little bar, and it's permanently attached to the vehicle. Well, Danish Fuel, the company that makes this, actually sent us their new product, and that is something that I'm assuming is going to look a little bit like this. It's for taking out on the trail with you or on a picnic, and it's supposed to be more of like a portable version of this instead of always attached to the car. So this is the preface. We already love these guys, love this product, one of our favorite details on this build, and we're gonna go and unbox it and see what's inside. I haven't even opened the box, so who knows what color is it gonna be, what's it gonna look like. Probably similar to this, but let's go check it out. All right, let's open this thing up and see what we got. It's gonna be sweet. Cleanly packaged. All right. Looks like we got a carrying case. Oh man, this thing's heavy. Wow. Just the bag looks cool. All right, let's got the keys, of course. Let's check this out here. We fumble through this one-handed. All right. Oh, I can tell the color. I can see the color. It is the traditional green. All right, now that I got that down, pull it out. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Danish Fuel Originals, 20 liter, looks like a 1996 can. And so the other one on our truck, I'm noticing right now, I have the keyhole on the top and it folds down into like a little tray. This one is gonna come open here like this. Oh man, that is gorgeous. It looks like we got a strap here. Not sure what that's for yet, but I have a feeling we're going to find out. Oh my goodness. Troy, refuel me please. Haha. And the Romer logo. Look at that, guys. Now this is a one-of-a-kind custom deal right here. Holy cow. All right, let's see what we got inside here. Oh, no way. No way. Oh my gosh. It's like the entire thing is full of goodies. Oh my gosh. They went to the nines with this thing. What do we got here? Waterproof blended malt Scotch whiskey. How did they know? I'm definitely a whiskey bourbon fan. It's actually one of my favorite hobbies. Let's see here. What else we got? Let's see here. Talks about all the different cans. Really, really nice branding. I haven't seen these products before. I've only seen the bar that we have on the truck. So now we've got the cups. Wow, this is a whole kit. So they have definitely gone way farther than they did before. Oh man, you see that? That is gorgeous. I mean, guys, the matte black, the detail, the cutting, the edges. I mean, this is really, really high quality. I mean, the fact that they're able to do that, that is pretty amazing. Look at that. That is high quality. All right, let's keep going here. Looks like we've got a little, I think this strap is for a bottle. So we can actually put a bottle in here. It looks like maybe something, I think the cups go in here maybe. I'm gonna guess the cups go there, and that's to hold something down. Of course, we got 2 bottles we could put in here. I definitely have another bottle that I can put in there. All right, oh no, you know what? I think I know what goes in there next. Let's see here. It's kind of a fun guessing game. All right, we got a small little shaker right for the trail or picnic. And of course, when I say trail, this would be end of a trail, end of a day, camping out. We always drink responsibly, never during technical trails or anything, because we take it serious that we should be really safe on the trail. So just to preface that, and a little jigger there. Oh man, look at that. The matte black again is just gorgeous. Wow. So I'm guessing maybe this goes here. I don't know. The instructions that I might find eventually might tell me where everything goes. All right. Let's see here. Way back. Way back. Oh man. Oh, no way, a flask. Oh. All right. 2 hands to open this one here. Let's check it out. Wow. Oh my goodness. What? A mini can. Okay, so we've got this flask. Dude, this might be the coolest flask I've ever seen. Mini flask, looks like the can. And then you've got, this is kind of cool, you've got the little funnel to get your the goods in there. What am I going to put in there first? Wow, that's gorgeous. And it comes in this box, which is nice, so that you can actually maybe throw it in and keep it nice and cozy. And it looks like we've got a couple more things here to open. Wow, this is such a really neat set. This is for quite yet, but the brush in the can, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can figure that out. Ooh, certificate. Oh my gosh, guys. Do you guys see that? 0001. Oh my gosh, we got the first one. That's amazing. Wow. Thank you, Danish Fuel. That's pretty rad. And we got one more thing to open here. Waterproof cherry influenced malt whiskey. And okay, so this is for, oh, this is cool. So my guess here, without reading any instructions that I haven't quite seen yet, I think maybe you're still in the box. I think the bottle might go in there to keep it waterproof, and also to keep it from clunking around maybe, so that we don't have to worry about it breaking in there. And of course, nothing's glass, so we can actually put everything in here and it won't break. All right, so let's take a look at this whole package. This is pretty cool. So we've got the shaker here. I just can't, I mean guys, this is so amazing what they did with this foil gloss black on a matte black. It's, you know, the camera really isn't doing it justice. It's really, really pretty. Let's see it better on here. Wow. So we got 4 cups. So you and a few friends can have a great time. We have the mini flask. And honestly, I'm not sure, that might be my favorite thing of this whole thing. We've got the certificate that shows we got the first one. Wow, thank you, Danish Fuel. That is, that's humbling, and we're honored to be checking out this new product with you, for you. This is an amazing gift. Holy moly. And of course, I can't wait to try the Scotch malt, a malt Scotch whiskey. I'm gonna close this up again and show you how it looks all closed up. Wow, that is killer.